to Taste Squad. Smash that like button if you haven't already, and smash that subscribe. Turn the red to gray, the bell to ringing. Yes. Okay, so if you haven't already subscribed, I'm gonna give y'all. Can y'all do this? 10 seconds to like, subscribe if you haven't already. If you've already liked and subscribed, you have an advantage. And comment Taste Squad. Ready? I'm drinking. 1 slime, 2 slime, 3 slime, 4 slime, 6 slime, 7, 8, 9, 10 slime. If you did it, you're officially the winner of the slime contest. Okay. And then whatever you want to call it. So we are gonna be making slime today. So I'm gonna kind of be starting a mini slime shop. So yeah. So if you want some slime, just comment down below, and if you go to Spiral School, comment down below and I will get you that slime. So yeah. So what we're gonna start out with, we're gonna be making a saline solution slime. So what? I've never seen that on glue before. Don't eat the glue, it's not edible. I'm just gonna start out with, I'm not gonna make that one start out that much because I wanna make a fluffy, glittery slime. And if you wanna buy this slime, I do not know how much it's gonna be yet, so I just haven't really decided yet. And it's gonna be blue. So I'm just gonna take it. Yeah, that's enough, but that's probably way too much. It's probably gonna be a little dark. And I'm gonna take my shaving cream, shake it up real good. Just add a ton of shaving cream to it because I want a lot of shaving cream. Okay. Now that I'm done with that, I'm just gonna add a little pinch of baking powder. I had 2 pinches because I don't think that was enough. Okay. And we're gonna start mixing. Ooh, maybe it'll be light blue. Fingers crossed. And toast. Not gonna show you the toast because it's just a little weird. But it actually smells really good. I think it's because of the shaving cream. Ooh, it's a really nice blue. So now I'm just using this brand. This is only like $3.25. So just add little bits at a time. This is my first time making slime with saline solution, so I'm pretty excited. It's gonna take time. You gotta mix fast, don't you? It's starting to get thick. Oh my gosh, it's starting to clean off the sides of the bowl. So I'll probably just like use the same one. Oh my gosh, it's so thick. Oh no, I forgot to put glitter in it. Let's just sprinkle a little bit, and it's gold glitter. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit because I don't want that much glitter. Take it out and start kneading it. Oh my gosh, I like almost clean the bowl. I'm gonna make sure I get the bowl clean so I can just, oh my gosh, I gotta make sure a little. So now I'm just kneading it. Just gonna do this later. Sorry about the background. Yes, ma'am. I'm in here. Okay, so this is how you make slime. Bye.